Alright guys, it is 5:09 a.m. Yep. Where are we?
On the ferry.
Why are we on the ferry?
Because we're going to Courtney to camp.
We finally get a little summer vacation. It just has to start really early, that's all.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's different about ferries this time around?
We have to wear masks.
COVID camping. Gonna do some COVID cooking while we're camping?
Yep, COVID camping cooking.
Cool. Mom's off trying to find us some food maybe.
Yeah. Maybe.
And we'll sit in the car and eat it, and then we'll explore a little bit later. The boat is gonna get going in 5 minutes or so. Good morning. So weird to be on a boat with no people. So weird. Ferry ride is over.
Yep.
We are on the island and we are at the
Thrifty Foods.
Thrifty Foods. Need some groceries. Gotta put some food in the cooler for our little camping adventure here. Well, the rain arrived, so we kind of missed the whole arrival scene of this vlog. But hey, we got a tent, right?
Oh, hi!
No. No.
What?
With COVID restrictions, we are not being in the house. We are just going to be in the yard. So we're camped here on the beach basically for a couple of days. Got our fire pit for cooking. The fire itself was lit at some point. We're kind of out at the moment. But there it is. There's the view. The sun came out. Yay. You got a crab there, Heidi?
Yeah.
You want to bring it here?
Look.
Okay, let's see this crab.
It's purple and it's dead. I think
Hold
it's
it up,
dead.
I can't see it.
Ah!
Bring it on, let's see. Like a live one this time, you mean?
It's not dead. It is alive.
Whoops, where is it? I can't see it yet. There we go.
Woo!
Woohoo! Skitter, skitter. Oh, how cool.
It's camera shy.
First bites, Heidi? How are your first few bites tonight, Heidi?
Your stuff
No.
seems to be going down very well.
Are you coming in, Dad?
Lights out.
Yep.
Everybody's getting their turn out on the oar boards. Sasha had his fun this morning, I've had mine, and now it's Kate's turn to row. Hi, Heidi. Yeah, there she is. Right there. We're going for a walk on the low tide now.
Mom, you can probably see my foot from here.
Yeah, that's a big jellyfish.
See something to see that swimming around.
We might later.
His tentacles look like angel hair pasta or something.
Yeah. Ow! Why does this angel hair pasta sting?
Look, you can see those little.
Okay, go. Skipper. Yes. Not getting too close to too many of these things. Obviously, there are sharp, rusty things underwater, and this is an inflatable board, so I'm a little nervous about going too close to too many of them. Pretty neat. Found something crazy on the oarboard here. Check this out. Giant jellyfish. He's huge. It's like what we saw on the beach yesterday. Wow. What is it? Looks like a fried egg. Table setting there, son.
I know.
Fine table.
I have an even more important role. I'm the official wasp swatter of the house.
Yeah, the wasp situation. There's a lot of them. So Sasha's been on duty, swatting them while we do the grill.
We got it.
Sucker.
That's what you get. Come by our site. Can't you be a useful thing like a honeybee that pollinates? No. Yeah, feel free to enjoy the hummus. It will be your last. Okay, dudes, we're out of here, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Back to the ferries?
Is that a yes?
That was a yes, yeah.
Behind you. Spritzer.
Yay!
Ready for a ferry ride home?
Yep.
And it's daylight, so we'll be able to see everything too, which will be very nice. And not raining. So, away we go. That was a very fun weekend at your grandparents'. You want to end the vlog for us, though? Did you cover the right end?
What?